Hi guys, so today we're going to be making a Puerto Rican dessert called gofio, and these are the two ingredients I'm going to be using. So here I have cornmeal and some sugar. That's all you need. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to come and do is add my cornmeal into the pot. We're going to turn on the flames to like a medium. And you're going to stir consistently, maybe with a wooden spoon if you have it. But you want to stir it consistently so it won't burn. And you want it to get like a brownish color, like a rose brown color. Okay, so we're going to continue to do this until it turns that color. Guys, so I just want to show you we're 3 minutes in. You see how it's getting this brownish color? That's what you want. Remember, you have to constantly mix it because you do not want it to get burned. Okay? And to be honest, the smell of this, it smells like popcorn. You see how it's already getting that brownish color? That's what you want. Okay? So we'll be right back. Okay guys, so it's been 5 minutes since I've been mixing it. You see that brownish color? That's what you're looking for. Also, it is going to smoke. Don't worry, that is normal. Just continue to mix. So now we're going to turn off the flames and we're going to set this aside and let it cool down, okay? Okay guys, so what I did was I poured it in a plate so it can cool down. I'm going to let it cool for like around 10 minutes. It's very important to let it cool before adding sugar, okay? Okay guys, so this has been actually cooling for 15 minutes. See the way it looks? It looks beautiful, right? It's going to look even better with the sugar. So now we're going to come and just add it. And we're going to mix it well so everything is nice and blended. And this is it. If you guys remember eating this when you was a kid, please let me know. Because this is so delicious. I remember when my grandmother used to make it. Oh my goodness. And guys, I will have the ingredients and what I use, how much I use in my description below. Okay? And this is it. Look at that. It's as simple as that. Look at that. Now all you need to do is enjoy. Guys, if you want to see anything else that you would like for me to make, please leave it in the comments. And like always, have a blessed day.